Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafiza Binti Hasnan and with matching number 1920008, and today I wanted to talk about radio FM. So here I have my radio FM in my hand. So what is radio FM exactly? So FM in the radio FM stands for frequency modulation, which sound is transmitted through changes in frequency. When switching between the station, the FM antenna is alternating between different frequencies and not amplitudes, which produces a much cleaner sound and allows for smoother transition with little to no audio static. Next, I will talk about the waveform to obtain the frequency modulated. So at the top waveform, we have carrier wave, which is higher than the audio signal, which is in the second. And this carrier will modulate together and will become frequency modulated, which is shown at the waveform in C. So it can be seen that when the audio signal is at the maximum, the frequency modulated will be increased. Meaning to be increased is that the frequency is higher than the minimum peak of the audio signal. As for demodulator, it will recover back its original signal, which is the message signal in the B waveform. Next, we will see the uninstallment of the FM radio. So this is the inside of the FM radio. It has integrated circuit. So this is the switch of the radio. We can switch it on and off, on and off. And then this is to control the volume of the radio. This is the USB cable to charge the radio, and the MP4 and the SD card, and also the USB port. The negative wire from the battery, which is the blue wire, will be soldered on the integrated circuit, and also with the red wire, which is the positive wire, will be soldered at their respective place. Next, the IC that will be used inside the FM radio is IC 8075. This is the layout pins of the component. So at pin 1, 2, 3, 11, 15 and 16, it is no connection in it, and on pin 5, 6, 14, it is a ground connection. And the crucial pins in the IC is the pin number 4, which is the FM receiver RF input, and the pin number 7 is for the clock for IC serial bus, and pin number 8 is for bidirectional data line for IC serial bus. Pin number 9 is for clock input. Pin number 10 is for voltage supply. Pin number 12 is for analog audio output, which is the left channel. And pin number 13 is for the analog audio output, which is the right channel. So moving on to the circuit inside the IC, the QN8075 receiver uses a highly digitized low IF architecture, allowing for the elimination of external components and factory adjustments. An integrated voltage regulator enables direct connection to a Li-ion battery and provides high power supply ripple rejection as PSRR for superior noise suppression. It receives RF signal. The RF signal is first amplified by an integrated low noise amplifier LNA, and then down converted to an IC. The QN8075 receiver uses a highly digitized low IF architecture, allowing for the elimination of external components and factory adjustments. An integrated voltage regulator enables direct connection to a Li-ion battery and provides high power supply ripple rejection as PSRR for superior noise suppression. It receives RF signal. The RF signal is first amplified by an integrated low noise amplifier LNA, and then down converted to an intermediate frequency IF via a quadrature mixture. To improve image rejection IMR, the quadrature mixture can be programmed to be at high side or low side injection. An integrated IF channel filters rejects out of channel interference signal. The automatic gain control AGC is also performed simultaneously to optimize the signal to noise ratio as well as linearity and interference rejection. The filtered signal is digitized for further process with a digital FM demodulator and MPX decoder. Audio processing is then performed based on received signal quality and channel condition. Two high-quality audio DACs are integrated on this chip to drive the audio output. So moving on, next, the combination of C3 and L1, as can be shown here, comprises a resonance circuit referred to as a tank circuit. Its purpose is to select one out of many available radio signals. The variable capacitor as C1 allows for tuning for the various signals. Then it will be connected to antenna using the white wire. The antenna absorbs transmitted radio signal which flow to the ground via other components. Another IC is used in this radio FM as an amplifier. So here is the layout of the pins of the IC. So pin number 1, the device enters in shutdown mode when a high level is applied on this pin. So pin number 2 is for bypass capacitor pin, which provides the common mode voltage. Pin 3 is the positive input of the first amplifier that is receive the common mode voltage. Pin number 4 is the negative input of the first amplifier receive the audio input signal. Pin number 5 is the negative output. Pin number 6 is the analog VDD input supply. Pin number 7 is a ground connection for circuitry, and pin number 8 is for the positive output. So here is the circuit layout inside the IC. So the IC is IC8005 is an audio power amplifier primarily designed for demanding applications in low power portable system like this FM radio. So this IC will be connected to the speaker, as can be seen through the black wire. So the speaker converting the electric signal to sound signal.